Imagine learning Python, HTML, AI, and actually typing code in real time, all in your browser, with instant AI guidance, no install, no setup mess, ready to build tools, websites, or automation the second you start. In this video, we're going to review CodeFriends, which is an interactive coding platform designed to teach you programming and AI through hands-on lessons. Each course includes step-by-step lecture content, a code editor, real-time execution of your code, and instant AI feedback, all from your browser. But before we begin, let's see what users are saying about it. So on Product Hunt, CodeFriends currently holds a 5 out of 5 star rating, and the feedback is all about its project-based, hands-on learning approach. One user highlighted how valuable the practical real-time coding environment is for fast learners jumping into programming. They noted that CodeFriends delivers exactly what its name promises, learning alongside coding friends in real-life project scenarios, reinforcing concepts through actual building and experimentation. Now let's break down the core features of it one by one. So CodeFriends makes it ridiculously easy to jump into coding, no setup, no friction, just clean step-by-step flow right from the dashboard. Here's exactly how it works. First, head to Enrolled Classes. Once you log in, your main workspace is under Enrolled Classes. That's where all your active learning paths live. Then click Get Started. With one click, you're dropped right into the guided setup, a visual dashboard with everything laid out. No confusion, no distractions. So choose what you want to learn: Python basics, AI automation, and browse through clearly categorized topics like work automation, web, or foundation. When you find a course, just hit the Try It Now button. You'll be taken to a live coding interface with step-by-step lectures on one side and a code editor on the other. The second you click Run, you see your code execute right inside the browser. No download, no IDE, just real learning on the go. So from clicking Enrolled Classes to running your first Python command, it's all handled in minutes and you're already coding. So that's the end of feature number 1. So feature 2 is where all the real magic happens: project building. Because what's coding without actually building something useful? Inside the CodeFriends dashboard, just head over to the My Projects tab and click Start a Project. Now you've got two options. First is New Project. You can build your own project from scratch by giving it a name and selecting a project type. The list is massive: web projects, JavaScript practice, Python execution, and it gets even more specialized with automation and AI, prompt engineering, crawling projects, email automation, Word, PowerPoint, Excel automations, Excel to Word, PowerPoint converters, SQL execution projects. You just pick what you need, name the project, and get coding all from your browser. And the second option is Start with a Template. Don't want to start from zero? No worries. Switch to the Start with a Template tab and choose from dozens of pre-made blueprints like resume builders, web games, automation flows, and more. Pick a template, modify it, launch it, and done. So no matter which route you take, blank project or pre-built, CodeFriends gives you a clean, fast, and intuitive way to actually build and deploy things, not just learn theory. So that's the end of feature number 2. Now let's move on to feature number 3. So let's be real. If you can't measure it, you can't prove it. That's why CodeFriends comes with a full-on statistics dashboard that gives you the whole picture of your learning journey. You'll see total learning time down to the minutes, completed lessons and study streaks, daily learning averages so you can stay consistent, a calendar view to see exactly when you've been putting in the work, and real-time graphs showing your weekly momentum, learning minutes, and lessons completed all in one spot. No more wondering, am I doing enough? This dashboard keeps you focused, motivated, and also accountable. Whether you're grinding daily or just sneaking in 15 minutes at night, it all counts. And CodeFriends makes sure you see that progress stack up in real numbers. So those were some of the core features of CodeFriends, but now let's discuss who is it actually for. So CodeFriends is ideal for complete beginners looking to learn Python or web development without setup pain, students and professionals automating workflows using Python and AI, creators and founders needing to prototype websites or automation tools fast, educational institutions needing scalable, interactive environments. While no tool is perfect, so it also has some areas of improvement. While CodeFriends packs in many features, learners mentioned that more offline support or downloadable projects could improve flexibility. Also, institutional analytics and classroom management tools could be deeper for educational partners. So CodeFriends does offer an affiliate program which is perfect for content creators or just someone who wants to earn by recommending top-tier tech education. To wrap it up, CodeFriends is a clean browser-native learning platform that delivers hands-on coding, instant AI feedback, and real project deployment, all without setup. It's perfect whether you're just starting or scaling up your coding skills quickly. Start building real code the moment inspiration hits. That's the CodeFriends experience. So that's the end of today's review. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. I'll see you in the next video.